Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to delete your WIX website. All right, first up, go to the site section right here under your WIX dashboard. All right, just click on it and you'll be able to see all of your websites. Now in here, open one. For example, you wanted to delete this one. Just hit on select, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, all you have to do is go to the top right. Here we have site actions. Now go ahead and move it to trash, okay? Click on it and it will be moved to trash. Another option is by going to your dashboard once more right here. Go to sites. Now click on 3 dots and here we have move to trash option as well. Just click on it. Now there'll be a pop-up. Just click on move to trash, okay? It says here, sites will be kept in trash for 90 days. So if you want to remove it or delete it completely, just go ahead over to trash right here at the top. Click on it. Now you can go ahead and select each site that you would want to completely remove. Remove, remove. Okay, you have restore here as well. Remove, remove. That's basically how you do it. That's how you delete your WIX website. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.